Good afternoon. Welcome back to Riverbank Customs. So like I said, thank you for joining in with us this afternoon. I'm going to bring you up to speed, catch you up on a few of the projects we've been working on. Tell you about some new projects and tell you about a special gift I received from my wife and kids for Father's Day. First of all, we've got Shane's truck back on the lift. Going to start putting the steering and all back under it, get it where we can move it around a little bit easier. Working on it a little bit at a time. Kind of pay as you go kind of deal. He's saving money and buying parts. This is going to be a really nice truck when we're done. So been working on it. Going to get after it pretty hard this week and next week. The Volkswagen project, it's done and gone. I'm returned back to its owner. Donald's Camaro, you've seen part 1 and part 2. It's completed. It's done and gone. He's driving it. Really seemed to enjoy it. He likes what we've done with it. Of course, he was a big part of it. He did 98% of the work. So a lot of people said we kind of left them hanging on that video. They wanted to know a little bit more about it, a little bit more information. So what we did on that, car had a radical kind of build to it, a radical engine, kind of hard to drive. So had a big mother thumper cam in it. We took that out. Put a different camshaft, put a mild camshaft in it, had a set of big valve dart heads on it. We took those off. We did some trading, did some buy-sell trade stuff, picked up another set of heads. A set of cast iron heads, not really sure what the size are, but they had some custom machine work done on them as well, but they were a really nice set of heads. So we changed both of them out, put the Muncie 4-speed back in it, had a Saginaw in it. We took that out, put the Muncie back in, changed the rear end out, put a 308 in it, put a rear end under the car like it's supposed to be. Fixed quite a few things on it. And very odd, right when we got ready to crank the car, the ignition switch went out. Switch wouldn't turn back. It was stuck in the accessory side of the switch. So we kind of learned something right there. We learned how to change the switch out. Dennis went to O'Reilly's and bought a steering wheel puller. And like always, we watched a YouTube video and studied up on it, and we was able to change that switch out. Once we changed the switch out, the car cranked right up, and you saw that in the video. Run really well. We did the break-in process on it, 30-minute break-in, break the camshaft in. Then he got out and drove it. Was real pleased with the results. Car, everything worked really well. Got the timing set on it, and he drove it home that afternoon. No problems. He called me later on that afternoon, said he made it home. No issues. Very glad of that. Very proud of that project. Proud to be a part of it. So that's 69 Camaro part 1 and part 2. If you've not seen it, check it out. Like, share, subscribe, comment. Let Donald know what you think about this car. Because if I know it, he's going to know it. Up and coming projects. We got another Volkswagen coming. Belongs to my brother. We're going to be doing some work on it. Going to build a really special engine for it. I'm going to do some things to this engine that he don't know about. Surprise. When he comes in my shop, it's my build. I'll build it my way. I'll build it the way Daddy built it. So anyway, that's a special kind of stab at my brother. So we're gonna be doing a lot of work on that car over the years. Kind of special project for me and him together. Dennis is fired up. He's motivated by his Charger. He's been sending me little video clips. He's actually making videos of it. We're doing a Will It Run kind of series. He was able to get the engine and turn it over. It's the original 318 for the car. So the engine looks like it's going to turn over, possibly run. Knowing the luck that Dennis has, it'll run great. He pulled the pan off the transmission today, drained the fluid out of it. Had a little water in the fluid, but once he drained the pan and the filter off, it seems like it's going to be okay. Of course, we're going to do a complete restoration on this car, but he's got other things going right now. He's building a house. So for those of you who've been involved in something like that, you know how time consuming and how money consuming it is. So the Charger's kind of on the back burner. We're going to play with it. We're going to have fun with it. That's what this is all about. It's what Riverbank Customs is about. We like to have fun. If you're not enjoying your hobby, it becomes work. So just hang in there with us. We'll keep you updated. We'll show you a few things. I'm going to show you some of this drone footage. Hope it don't make you sick. Show you where we're at on the lake. Show you a little bit about beautiful Lake Logan and Martin. 4th of July weekend coming up. Be a lot of traffic on the lake. So thank you for joining. Just watch this video. If you like it, please share, subscribe, ding the bell, all that good stuff. Help this channel grow. Help this business grow. so we can have more fun. Thank you.
We are going to do a Will It Run on the 68 Charger. Been sitting in the field for 20 years and pulled it out. Got it over in the shop. Engine's locked up, kind of froze up. We're going to pull the plugs and put some Alpha Mr. Oil on the cylinders and let it sit and see what we can do. Just see if we can get it freed up. Well, I consider that a win. All 4 plugs come out all 8 plugs come out real easy. Well, we're fixing to fill the cylinders up with some marble. I'm gonna fill them up too. I ain't gonna be skimpy.